Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making cheesy scalloped potatoes. Coming up. To begin, we need to peel 4 russet potatoes. And it is important that they are russet because different types of potatoes have different levels of starchiness. And russet are perfect for scalloped potatoes. Now, you need to thinly slice your potatoes, and the best and easiest way to do it is with the mandolin, which is what I'm using. Or you can also do this with a knife. It doesn't really matter if you do it with a mandolin or a knife as long as you get them nice and thin. To the thinly sliced potatoes, add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Add in half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 minced garlic cloves, about 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, about half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now you give this a toss. You want all the potatoes to be evenly coated, and you want all your seasonings to be evenly distributed. Then transfer them to a 9x9 or 2-quart baking dish. You just want to spread them out so everything is evenly layered. Scalloped potatoes are one of my favorite side dishes. They are total comfort food, and this recipe is my favorite. Pour the remaining of heavy cream mixture over the potatoes. Now, you can bake this just as it is right now. But what I like to do is to sprinkle about half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You really can't go wrong with a little bit more cheese. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. And if everything goes according to plan, they will look like this. The potatoes are nice and tender, and you are ready to eat. Super easy and delicious. And there you guys have it, scalloped potatoes. Enjoy! Buen provecho! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!